So hello guys, so today we will tackle about the new social mining on crypto. It's the Harmony one. So first we have to go to the website. It's community.harmony.one. So here it is, community.harmony.one. So just log in using your Google account, or if you want to sign up using your Facebook, just do it. So after signing up, we will go here on the main page. So this is the dashboard. Okay, so first we need to get a role now. So if you are familiar with the social mining, so the task we will do or expect, the things we need to do is about using Google, making some articles, YouTube videos, tweet, retweet, Reddit, Telegram, and Twitter. So first, after signing up, we need to complete this survey. So okay, so onboarding survey, community platform onboarding survey. So are you interested in making your skills available to community? So of course, yes. Okay, next. What is your main field expertise? So I think marketing. So it's right, marketing. So introduce yourself. I'm a crypto lover. Okay, so and love blockchain technology. Technology. So okay, so how much of your time are you willing to dedicate to the project? So I think I use between 20 hours per week. So I always online. So involvement in cryptocurrency blockchain space. I'm I work into the space and enthusiast. So let's try this. Okay, so complete. So okay, great onboard survey. Great to have you on board survey. Special need approval to our team. Okay, so they need to approve that before it will get my role. So next we have first. Okay, so we need we need to set up our profile. So profile. So this is me, crypto lover. Okay. So followers, I don't have yet followers. I don't have yet following. So the details first. So we need to first our Harmony wallet address. So here it is. If you need to put your this is my Harmony wallet address. So it's bet2. Seems like it's working on the BNB platform, the DEX BNB. So email. So just complete the details below. Last name, sex, male, Philippines. So this is my country. So if you want to uh, attach profile picture, so this is the social account details. This is my Telegram. So just connect your Reddit, Twitter, GitHub account. So okay. So I'm done doing this before. Okay, next we go to the community boards. So here in community board, we see the newsfeed, featured, new, trending, most voted, most listed, and most discussed. So as of now, so we can see all the Twitter. Okay, the infographics. So hit here. So mostly all are Twitter posts. So okay, so we need to go to trending. So trending. So there is the trending. So most of voted. So guys, if you have voting power, you can upvote certain uh, activity here on the community board. So it will tick as green. This is the downvote. It will color as red. So as of now, uh, I have no vote power, so I cannot upvote. So most discussed is about. So this is the most discussed. Okay, so this is very easy to do. So this is my points now, 301 points. So I don't have any reputation yet. So I don't have any followers and zero influence. So this is the first day. So few guys join now early birds get early early storms. So early worms, I mean. So we need to submit. Let's go to submit activity. So here, this is the activity we need to do. So first, features. If you see some bugs, you can submit it to the community platform. So it will give you points and reputation. So article, Medium, Steemit, and other articles. So video, YouTube videos and other videos. So making some GIF, meme, sticker, or other images are accepted. So okay, next to my activities. So this is my activity. So I do some 2 tweets lately. So this is my 2 tweets. So this is my activity. So there's no upvote received or downvote. So next is the reward. So basically, social miner get rewards depending on how many reputation they have, how many points they have. So this is so they have some computation about how many rewards you will get on a certain distribution. So as of now, there is no rewards. So cost is only very new. So next we go to the ranking. So this is the ranking, global ranking. So it's based now 4 points. So basically there are so many factors that influence the ranking. So they means sometimes they have the influence, sometimes they rep or the reputation and the reputation ratio. This is the list when you have when someone good projects and you this is very good and you have to make some lists for it. So if you want to have some lists. Okay, next we have the Twitter. So posting Twitter, there's the rules. You have to use the hashtag before it will count to your activity. So make sure to read the rules. So make sure this is original tweet. So rewarded points for valid tweets is 1 point. So you will need at least 50 followers. So your Twitter have at least 50 followers to be eligible on this Twitter post. Okay. Tweets must be not older than 5 days. So you need to claim the tweets first before it's expired. So next we have the retweets. So every 3 tweets have 10 points. So you will need a minimum of 70 followers. So at least you have 70 followers to make retweets. So you can retweet 2 posts every day. So only 2 posts daily. So have some 2 retweets today. So 20 and 2 tweets 20. Okay, we now go to the Telegram. So I also connected my account to Telegram. This is my Telegram. So I earned 30 points. So fill your handler profile. So just follow the guide, guys. So okay, next we go to Reddit. So I don't have enough reputation to make a Reddit post. So I need to go first. Earn reputation to be able to make some posts. So we have here the referral program. So I will post my referral program on my description below. So please guys sign up to my referral program. So every referral you will get 30 points. Then your friends you referred get 10 points. Okay, so this is the wiki. So if you have any question, guys, so first read the social mining guides. So what is social mining? So social mining is the idea that user that help build an open source cryptocurrency ecosystem should be rewarded in its native currency. It's essentially a plugin solution for any blockchain to help it become decentralized autonomous organization. So basically, social mining is us. So we are the social miner. So the community is the social miner. So we do some tasks to the platform. Example is the Harmony one. So we do some tasks given by the admin or the community admin or the Harmony itself. So by making tasks, we earn reputation. So this is the social mining, guys. No, we earn reputation in every task we do, we done, or that we have finished. So after doing some tasks and you have some reputation, then you will be rewarded accordingly on your points and reputation you will have. Okay, so this is the referral. So make sure to join on the Harmony Social Mining. So this is very new, very early to join. So join now, and of course, we have at least $100 worth of one. So we need to deposit on the. Okay, so you need to maintain at least $100 worth of Harmony tokens to be eligible to be a social miner. So, okay, let's read this. Introducing Harmony Community DAO. So, Harmony and DAO is partnership. So, there are partnership. So, each month, so we at least 10,000 worth of one tokens will be distributed in the social mining ecosystem. User who exerted the greater effort to help the Harmony each more people acquire, implement, tech development, and grow business development will be rewarded. So we will be rewarded. So as any DAO organization, the distribution of value and grants is up to the DAO participant. Participants are required to stake at least $100 worth of one. So we need to stake $100 worth of one to be eligible as community miners. So guys, so this is it. So I will make a deposit on the platform so to be become eligible for the community miner. So if you have question, just post on the description below or on the comments below. So this is it. So please join me on the social mining. Use my referral code, guys. So I hope you will. Let's support the community or the Harmony itself. This is a great project and great for us to earn some tokens given by the Harmony. So bye bye.